There is a lot of talk about sustainability these days. That's all fine and good. But sustainability on a European level will be reached only if we are courageous enough to change our industries and communities profoundly. Rebuild, recycle, reset. As Aqseptence Group, we have been shaping this change for years. Our focus is on the protection of water, the most precious natural resource. We enable our partners in industries and municipalities to have a high impact for a sustainable future through our specialized solutions in filtration, separation, and water technologies. Because we build responsibility.